I'm Marna, and I have some really exciting news and some really exciting stuff to show you. About 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, Darren said that the trip that he had, the business trip to Florida he had come through. And that I got to go free. So, man, we scrambled to get ready to go, and we filmed ahead, and Darren edited and worked like 18 hours a day between his regular job to get ready and getting me ready. And then he spoiled me while we were there. I want to put a shout out to Drew, Jen, and Zoe, who at the last drop of a hat said yes, that they would watch our dogs while we were gone, because without that, well, it wouldn't have been as fun. Darren talked about taking them, but no. Anyway, we went to Florida. I got to meet Allison and Brian from Wednesday and Gilly together. Darren and I love them. We sat for 3 hours and laughed, did not want to leave. It was so fun. Can't wait to see them again, and we are planning a trip back to see them because, oh my goodness, they are fantastic people. We bought a few dolls, and that's why this video is playing. I do want to show you what Allison gave me. You'll see this in the video that we'll be doing on our Florida trip, but oh my goodness, look what she bought me. Isn't that the sweetest thing? I love this. And I do hang towels in my, from my oven that are seasonal and special to me. Usually during the holidays, usually with a bike or train theme. But I'm gonna tell you what, this one, very special. Did you see? It has a flamingo. Woo-hoo. You know I love flamingos. Darren had this fantastic, sweet idea that he told me about on the way down. He said, in Florida, we're going to buy a Pacific Coast Rainbow High Girl for you to take to the beach with Daisy. I take Daisy, we film her, photograph her when we go places. She joins us on trips. And some local, some just 2.5 miles on our bike, or 3.5 miles, I guess the trip is, on our bicycles. But this is Daisy, and she got to go, and she found a shell. I also bought a shell, few shells, for my mini Blythe to sit in, and I'm wondering about making a bed. We'll see if this is big enough for a little mermaid miniature Blythe. But I love this little Pacific Coast, and again, you'll see her in the videos. I have to do a really quick review on her. Unbelievable how nice this doll is. Oh, this was her swimsuit, or Daisy swimsuit. Unbelievable. I am in love with this doll. This hair is fantastic, absolutely fantastic. I love the color, I love the texture, I love the thickness, everything. It's just gorgeous. We bought them some earrings, Daisy and Margot, on the beach, and we took photos of them with it. You'll see those in the video coming up. We found this girl in Walmart, and I have a collection. It's not huge, but it's a pretty big collection of 28-inch dolls. So I was really thrilled to add her. I had not seen her before, and if you look, I had seen the blonde, but I had not seen the other three. But I am on the lookout now because I'd like to have the full series of these girls. It says fully posable arms. I have other dolls like this Barbie, but only their arms and hands and shoulders are posable, not their legs, which is disappointing. But this one has removable shoes, and I really like that. I don't normally shop in Target, but I have found that Target is my friend. And before we left, a lot of you bought her. The Made to Move Barbie, I love that redhead. I have loved her since she came out. I've seen her in the store, and I have this new policy, and you won't believe me when you see what all I have. But I have this new policy of if I buy a doll other than Blythe and Rainbow High, it's for a reason. Even those, it's for a reason. Either a collab or banking it, or you know, I just really like it. I mean, really like it. Darren also bought me these many brands. These were on sale. I've got an unboxing video coming up in Florida of opening these. And what is the fashion pack one called? Darren bought me one of those there too. I'm excited. So watch for the opening of these. These were on sale for something, and I'm excited about those. I'm going to try to do some crafts out of the little orange slices because I hate throwing those away. Anyway, the Made to Move. We ordered the redhead. She was, I don't know, less than $7, I think less than $6 before we left for Florida. When we got there, they had this girl for sale in their Target, and she was less than $8. I think she was like 7 something. I had to have her so that the other Made to Move yoga girl would have a friend. So, see, a reason. Can you hear my cameraman laughing? I am not one to pass up a good deal. I bank dolls. That is, I buy them and leave them in the box for a rainy day, whatever that rainy day might be. I was very surprised to see that Target had the Rainbow High Twins on sale for $24.99. That's $12.50 per doll. Each of these little cases are plastic. I'm telling you, the 2 purses, if you look at them, were worth the money. And the shoes. I mean, if you price doll shoes and see the quality of those purses, you would see why I went ahead and bought one more while we were at it. This was from a different Target. They only had one at the first, and they had Kia Heart on sale for $11.99 clearance, but there were none in the stores to find. But I was glad to get these. That means I'm going to pull my other twin out. I have the redhead out, and I've been making things for her. I'm going to pull the little blue-haired one out, too. I love them. Laurel and Hardy are their names. Laurel and Holly are their names. And I always think of Laurel and Hardy, the comedian act, who's on first. So that's what I'm going to call mine. I just wanted to show Tonka. She's like my biggest fan. She goes and sits next to Darren quite often when we're filming and watches me like I'm on TV or something. It's hilarious. Of course, now she and the cat are going to play. We scooped up a little bit of sand, and I have some craft ideas for that. We rinsed this out with ocean water and filled it with sand, so we recycled this container. A very exciting thing happened. What morning was it? Monday morning early in the hotel room, I got a text from Jamie, Let's Talk About It with Jamie, followed within moments from Allison from Wednesday and Gilly together saying Amazon dropped the Shadow High, Rainbow High girls. So we scurried over, we meaning Darren, because he's the one with the Amazon account, and he pre-ordered a few of the Shadow High dolls for me. Well, we left the hotel room shortly after that, and we were headed out. We were going home day, and I'll be doggone, we went into a Walgreens because the pants I was wearing were biting me.
Walmart.
I mean Walmart. What did I say?
Walgreens.
Walmart. And I wanted to get some pants. Well, Darren was getting us some, snacks for the road, and especially Gatorade. And I said, well, meet me at Toys. I want to take a quick run through, see if they have the Kia Heart or, anything else on sale. So I took longer than expected. Oh, there's something else in here. Wait a minute. Let me check that. I better check that. Oh, look here. Darren got some seeds. We're thinking ahead. It's about garden time. Anyway, I went and looked at pants, and I took longer than I was going to, and I got to toys, and Darren was standing there grinning, and he said, "You won't believe it." I'm like, "What?" And he's like, "They have Shadow High." I'm like, "You're kidding." He's like, "They're $22 each." I had a cart, and Darren said, "Get one of each." So I did. Well, we got to the counter, and so often in Walmart, I'm telling you, if you are a Walmart shopper, know the cost of the items you're buying and watch the checker ring them, because for years I have been correcting them, especially items on clearance. It'll have a sticker on it, big sticker on it. It'll say 50 cents or whatever, and they ring it, and it's still the $2.97, and they just keep going. It's like, no, no, no. Oh, well, that's an error in the department. You know what? No. So anyway, these said $22.99. Sure enough, they rang $29.97, or $22 even. And I was ready for the fight. I thought, you know what? I've had it with Walmart and all of this. So I walked the manager back to show her the $22 sign, insert here, Darren. And I grabbed a couple more because I thought, you know what? We won't get them for that price again. And didn't you say that we got like one free if they had been the regular price?
It's like two free.
Two free. So I got two free. Well, depending on how you look at it and how ladies talk about bargains. Let's open one. I decided to open Heather Grayson. Oh. The details are incredible. But let me stop here for a minute and say, this second outfit and this pair of shoes is probably getting opened up. I don't normally open the second outfit, but snake skin. Darren is a herpetologist. We at this time don't have many, you hear my dog playing with a toy in the background. We don't have many reptiles right now. In fact, all we have is a turtle. But we used to have, well, everything, and lots of snakes. This outfit, if you can see, is gorgeous. It is snakeskin pants, snakeskin shirt with the cutest little corset. Look at the shoes. Snakeskin. Love it. Look at this doll, the details. I'm not going to go over everything. You're seeing these on other channels too, but the shoes have like an opalescence to them. Oh, they are the boots. They are gorgeous. See the snake wrapped around the heel and the little pretend zipper. Oh, I'm loving this. Look at the bones on her jacket. Darren and I also love skeletons in October. It has stitching. This is incredible. The little bitty, everything is detailed. Look at this, a little metal zipper pull. Probably doesn't, work as a zipper, but it is so cute. All right, look at this. This is too funny. It reminds me of African tribes they used to show in National Geographics. That's like a hoop with hair hanging on it. Her hair has a streak of gray on both sides. She has, some girls wore all the rings in their ears. She has a little braid on each side with these little hoop earrings. One has a little bitty pin. What is this one? A dollar sign? A little snake. Little bitty snake. Her earrings, of course, say Rainbow High. I do get an overload of the Rainbow High on everything. And then it matches on this side, except the pin is smooth on this side, but has texture on this side. I'm betting a little snake. Oh, Rainbow High is what we have here. No, that's a snake. Oh, I'm sorry. S for Shadow High, of course. I want to point out her fingernails. Now, will all the Shadow High dolls have these long, pointed fingernails? How cool are those? Oh my gosh, and she's got a ring on her thumb. The details in these dolls is incredible. Just incredible. How cute is this doll with her split hair like Cruella de Vil? How fun would these have been to have when Tammy, Polly, and I had the challenge for everybody to do a Cruella de Vil doll. I am loving this doll and everything about her. I'm not going to go through all the articulation. You already know all that. I do want to check. Look how far up her legs go. Oh, this doll is wonderful. I cannot wait to open the others. Let's check her head. One thing I really liked, yep, hers does that too. Oh, I love this doll. One thing I really liked about my Pacific Coast doll is that she was thankful to be at the beach, and she prayed in that Florida traffic. I'm telling you, it is just scary at 90 miles an hour. And she can look up and be thankful for shells. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please stay tuned. I'm going to be unboxing all 6 of the different Shadow High dolls. I really like them. They also make wonderful Dolls Gone Goth dolls that J-Doll UK and I do every month. We do different themes for goth themed dolls. So think of that when you're thinking, oh, should I buy this doll or not? You have a reason. Please leave a comment, a like, and subscribe.